everyone. We are from Group 5. We are from Digital Office Administration, Class D, with the lecturer, Ms. Yeti Lasuti, SPD MSE. Here we will make a video of a group meeting and play a role according to the case study. Before that, we will introduce ourselves and our role. First, I'm Shara Husna Ara with student identification number 171242007. And I am played as IU. And then there was my partner, Shifa and Ezra. Please introduce yourself.
Okay, my name is Rafael Permana. My student ID is 171 2424 015, and I played as Darren.
Okay, my name is Ashifa Rahmatia with student identification number 17124242048, and I'm playing as Tania.
Okay, so let's get started now. Hi everyone, thanks for making time to meet. I think we are a bit behind schedule, so let's go over what we have and what still needs to be done. Darren, you sent the market analysis draft, but the supporting data was not there. Could you clarify when you will send the full version?
Yeah, sorry about that. The survey results came in just this morning. I'll send the complete version tonight.
Thanks a lot, Darren. That's really helpful. And Tania, I heard your laptop is broke. What's your plan for finishing the video editing?
I'm really sorry, guys. I can't edit unless I borrow a laptop. Will it be okay if I come over to your place and work there?
Sure. You can come to my place tomorrow at 9 a.m. so we can work on it together.
Thanks so much, Ayu. That's helped a lot.
So now is how about Mali? He has not responded in 2 days. Does anyone know how to contact him another way?
I have his number. I'll try calling him tonight.
Okay, but if Malik still can submit his parts, we need to reassign to the financial projection. Anyone available?
Yeah, I can take care of the projection. Let's work on it tomorrow afternoon after I finish the analysis.
Okay, thanks again, Darren. That really means a lot.
Honestly, thank you all for understanding. I'll try my best to finish the video.
I'm sorry if I've been a bit pushy. I just feel that we need to stay on the track.
No problem, Ayu. I think you're doing a great job keeping us focused. We'll get this done.
So, to summarize, Darren will send the final data tonight, and Tanya will come over tomorrow to edit the video. And Darren's ready to handle Malik's part if needed. And let's stay in touch through the group chat.
Agree.
Let's do this.
So guys, thank you. Maybe that's all from us. Thank you for your attention. So, thank you.